partly sunny and 58 degrees. West Mifflin, cloudy 57. Beaver Falls, cloudy 59. Newcastle 52. Latrobe, partly sunny 61. Washington 62. And Indiana 55. In central Pennsylvania, Altoona, cloudy 41. State College, cloudy 34. And Johnstown, cloudy 54. In West Virginia, Morgantown, partly sunny 63 degrees. Wheeling, cloudy 60. Parkersburg, partly sunny and 64. In southeast Ohio, Zanesville, partly sunny 63 degrees. And Columbus, cloudy 61. At 11 a.m., the report from Butler was not available. The report from Franklin was not available. Erie, partly sunny 63. Dubois, partly sunny 52. Meadville, partly sunny 58. Bradford, wind south at 7. In northeast Ohio, Akron, cloudy 61 degrees. Youngstown, cloudy 59. And Cleveland, cloudy 62. In southwest PA, Pittsburgh, partly sunny and 63 degrees. West Mifflin, sunny 62. Beaver Falls, cloudy 63. Latrobe, mostly sunny 63. In central Pennsylvania, Altoona, cloudy 45. State College, cloudy 39. In West Virginia, Morgantown, mostly sunny 65 degrees. Wheeling, cloudy 63. Parkersburg, partly sunny and 66. In southeast Ohio, Zanesville, partly sunny 66 degrees. And Columbus, cloudy. You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio in Parker, Pennsylvania, on a frequency of 162.425 MHz. The preceding tone signals were a test of the alarm device of this weather radio station. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers will be automatically activated by these tones to warn of impending hazards. Tests of these receivers are conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and 12 noon on each Wednesday. This radio station, WWG 53, serves the following counties in western and northwestern Pennsylvania: Armstrong, Beaver, Butler, Clarion, Crawford, Forest, Indiana, Jefferson, Lawrence, Mercer, and Venango. The National Weather Service now returns to the regular broadcast.